Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect your Make.com account to Google Drive. So first thing that you do is you just have to log in to your Google account, okay, and then select your Google Drive. So once done, you have to open another tab and then log in to your Make.com account. So once you're here, you just have to create a new scenario. So to do that, just click on this Create Scenario option at the top. That's right. And then we have here now the plus icon. So all you have to do is to click on it and then search for Google Drive. Okay, so I'm just going to type it right here, Drive. Then we have this one right here. So just select it. And then here for the file or folder, we are going to select this watch all files or watch files in a folder. For example, I am going to use this trigger. All right, so after that, you are going to make a connection. So tap on to create a connection. That's right. And then you have to sign in with your Google account. So tap on this one. So once you're done, you would be able to see this connection. So here for the watch file section, so we are going to select the by created time. And then for the drive option, we are going to select the shared with me. And then for the file types to watch, so of course, select all. Then for the limit, so the maximum number of results to work with during one execution cycle, after that, you just have to click on the save option. So here you can choose where to start from now on, since specific date, all, or choose manually. After that, you just have to click on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.